Hi there, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to change the string for Dewalt Lawn Trimmer. When you notice that the string is only about 2 inches left on both sides, and even if you open this and untangle the string from inside, it will still come to this position and you cannot trim your lawn anymore. This is a Dewalt Lawn Trimmer. DCST 922. The good thing about this trimmer is that when changing the string, you don't have to open any of its parts unless you have to remove the old string from here. In order to remove the leftover string, you will need to open the cap, press this from both sides and push it up. Okay. Then you will see there's a spooler, you can take it out. Although you can see there is a lot of wire here, but it's all tangled up. So this much wire is most likely wasted. We will put this spooler back. This part will sit on top of this rectangular thing. You will notice that there is a hole right in the center of this spooler. And also there's a hole right here in this part, the part that holds the spooler. When this rectangular part sits on top of this, these two holes and the holes on the spooler must be perfectly aligned. If you look from this side, the holes are not aligned. In order to align the external hole with the hole in the spooler, we have to match the white mark, which should be on this part, this geared part. And I can see it here. It's worn out though, but I can still see it. And the white mark on this part. When these two white marks align, then this hole and the hole in the spooler will be perfectly aligned. And you can just push the wire from here and it will come out from the other side. When the two holes, the hole outside and the hole in the spooler, are perfectly aligned, you can actually see through the hole. The trimmer string that I'm going to use is Dewalt. It says here it is 0.08 inch. It's a 225 feet roll, and at one point of time we only need about 30 feet. That means 15 feet will go on each side of the spooler. I have taken about 30 feet string from the roll because more than that will result in tangling the string again inside the spooler. We don't want that. I will have to straighten it up a little bit so that it can go inside the hole. At least the front part must be straight. I'm inserting from this side and it will come out from this side. There you go. Now hold the string, pull it out and make sure both parts are equal. It's done. I have equal length of string on both sides. It's now time to put the cover back. Press it down, it will click fit. Next, we will hold the bottom part and rotate the upper part clockwise until 7 or 8 inches of string is left on each side, just about from here to here. So hold it tight, hold the bottom part tight and keep rotating the upper part. Make sure the wire is not tangled outside. The wire will repeatedly get tangled outside and you have to straighten it again and again. About this much of wire is sufficient. Once it reaches here, that's enough. This is about 7 inches on each side. All done, you're good to go.